Going to talk about method 3. So basically, like you were creating free tools, and inside that tool you are promoting your API. Okay, so similarly what you can do, you can just build like Chrome extension or library where programmer can use your API. You can use wrapper packages, right? For example, here you can see we have one Chrome extension, that is keyword everywhere. It's providing its API. Now they are promoting API. So basically, if you will see here, we are using this Chrome extension keyword everywhere. That means if I just search for, let's say, anything, let's say weight loss. Okay, so you will see now keyword everywhere will going to show up here. Okay, there this keyword ideas, and they will also going to display the keyword ideas at very bottom of the search engines, right? So this is what this keyword free tool is basically. Okay, it will also going to display you a lot many things, but this tool, when you will going to access this Chrome extension, so they will start to promote their API key. Okay, so you can just get their API key and you can use it. So this is what you can do. You can just go ahead and you can create one free Chrome extension. Paid Chrome extension is totally up to you, but I will going to suggest you to use free Chrome extension. Okay, just bring the traffic to your free Chrome extension, and from your Chrome extension you need to basically go ahead to promote your API within the Chrome extension. Or you can use some packages, like you can see this is the email verify package. Okay, it's kind of a SaaS business, so people first they have to purchase this package. Okay, they will promote this package, and when someone will going to purchase this package, so inside this package to run, okay, so to run this package, anyhow customer has to use their API. So in that way also you can do, or you can create some open source project, and in that open source project you can just put it inside GitHub, and so the other developer can use your free open source. But the criteria will be that people has to use your API so that they can use the free open source project which you have created for them for free. So there are various methods you can spread your APIs. Okay, so I'm just giving you some ideas. You can just use those ideas and you can just do a lot of things. So you can basically tell ChatGPT to create to teach you how to create Google Chrome. It's very simple and easy, my friends. Okay, ChatGPT will going to write code, so just tell ChatGPT or Google Bar to tell you step by step how to create a Chrome extension. Okay, or anything. Okay, so that's what I want to tell you, and hope you guys have understood the concept of how spread your API works, and in this way also you can promote your API.